Hi everyone, welcome back again to Essa's Corner, and for today, I got a parcel and then we're going to open it together. Just do it like this. These are all from Abib. I've tried their Heart Leaf Calming Spot patch. They're great, highly recommend them. I'm going to fire away products that I know of and I've had them before and what I think of them, and also products that are new to me because I could see things here that are new to me. So first up, Heart Leaf Calming Spot Patch. Very good, very good. I've tried loads of spot patch before and I highly recommend this one. And I'm grabbing another green. Haven't tried this before. This is their foaming cleanser. I'm not exactly, could you see that? I'm not exactly a fan of foaming cleanser, but I'll give this one a try. This is their pore cleansing oil. I love a cleansing oil. I love a cleansing oil. This one is their trial kit. I'd probably give this as a giveaway. This is their Glutathione Some Dark Spot Pad. I love this dark spot, especially if you got, like your face is healing from acne or pimples and there are like some black spots in there. This is really good. Heart Leaf Spot Pads. I don't think I've tried this one. This is definitely a green one. This is a green one. There you go. So I'll try this one. PDRN. I've had their eye patch, not the PDRN one. So I'm going to have a try this one. Oh, this is the one that I've tried. Their Jelly Collagen Eye Patch. This is the one that I have, and this is the one that I've tried before. And I love putting this in my eye, especially if I didn't sleep well during the evening and I've got puffy eyes. This is very good. And I'm definitely going to try this retinol eye patch after one. PDRN as well. Jericho Rose Bifida Serum. I don't think let us open it. Let us open it. I don't think I've tried this one before. Let us open them together. No, I haven't tried this one. So we'll try that. So don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel so you could see an update on what I think of all these products. Glutathione Some Dark Spot Serums. This is the one that I have. It's this one. It is this one. So it is this one. Glutathione Some Dark Spot Serum. I'm so excited. There are loads of them. BPD Collagen Overnight Masks. Wanna try this one? A lot. Thank you so much, Abib, for all these goodies. I really appreciate them. Heart Leaf Calming Toner. There you go. Heart Leaf Calming Toner. Sunstick. If you follow me, you've seen a video of me using Abib Sunstick wherein I'm wearing makeup and then I've just like wipe it over to my face and the makeup didn't move at all. Heart Leaf Teka. This is the one that I've got. This is color green. It is like this one but green. It is this one, the Heart Leaf Teka. PDRN Collagen Masks. Give this to my friend. I'm going to give this to my friend. And their Collagen Gel Mask Heart Leaf. And then their Abib Collagen Gel Masks. So yeah. So yeah, these are all goodies that I got from Abib. Thank you so much, Abib, for all these goodies. And like I said, like and subscribe to keep an update on me using all these products. This is the parcel that I got.